Your search will end here. Just open the door to mesmerizing river and harbor views. Floor-to-ceiling bay window and patio doors maximize the stunning views and allure. All wood and tile flooring. West/upscale finishes throughout. Living room West/elec fireplace and classic mantel. 2 bdrms West/ensuite bths and walk-in closets. Fantastic kit West/lots of bar space for causal meals plus separate dining area. Elegant crown molding, large panty laundry room. Remote controlled custom solar shades. Enjoy ease of living.